Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 4.5% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The gold dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair rose 1.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.1% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Saudi Arabia's foreign minister said that he saw no shortage of oil in the market, but a lack of oil refining capacity, making it necessary to invest more in capacity to process crude oil into various oil products. For the first time, the rupee declined to the low level of 80 against the US dollar in intraday spot trading before ending the session 16 paise lower at 79.98 amid a surge in crude oil prices and unrelenting foreign fund outflows. Alarms have been raised by the Federal Bureau of Investigation over the growth of fake cryptocurrency wallets that continue to defraud unsuspecting investors. The agency said 244 victims have lost around $42.7 million to scams related to fake cryptocurrency applications.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US existing home sales at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.